Here's a Toyota RAV4. To access the license plate lights, we need to open up the hatch. So let's go ahead. Now right there is this panel. We need to get that panel off. For that, you will need a flathead screwdriver. There are 3 slots where you can put that screwdriver in. One right over there. Put that in there and pry the cover out. Second one in the center, and third one on the other corner, and the panel pops off. Now grab the bulb holder right there and twist to the left a little bit to get it out. There you go. Now to get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come right out. The bulb type is 168 or 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the new bulb and push it back in. And now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. Once it drops in, just twist it right a little bit to lock it in place. Now let's repeat this process. Just grab it and twist it left. Out it comes. Same bulb type. And when you put it back in, once it's sitting in flush, like sitting in position, just twist your right a little bit to lock it, and you are done. That's about it. And that's it. Let's put this panel back on, and this panel has those 4 clips which are sticking out. That side goes on first. Just the way I'm showing. Once it's in place, just press it down to secure it, and that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.